Hello everyone. Welcome to our educational platform on YouTube. This is Mr. Tuhin Mandal, an ex-Navodayan and alumnus of Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Banipur. In today's video, we will discuss the red car theory.
This video is for informational purposes only. All images, logos, music and videos belong to their respective owners and are used under fair use for educational purposes.
The red car theory reminds us that opportunities are just like red cars. They're all around us.
Think about it. If you drive to work and someone asks, how many red cars did you see on your journey?
Chances are you wouldn't know. Why? Because you weren't looking for them.
But imagine this: before you drive, you are told, for every red car you spot, you'll earn 100 rupees cash.
Suddenly, your eyes are wide open. You are alert, scanning the road, and counting every single one.
That's how opportunities work in life. They're always around us, but unless we actively look for them, we don't notice.
By training your mind to focus, you start spotting possibilities that were invisible before.
So cultivate curiosity. Stay open, because when you choose to look for opportunities, you'll see them everywhere. That's the power of the red car theory.
On that note, remember, opportunities are all around us, just like red cars. What truly matters is where we choose to focus. Stay aware, stay intentional, and let your focus guide you toward the opportunities that are already in your life. Thank you for your time and attention. This is Mr. Tuhin Mandal, signing off.